In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your email deliverability to as close to 100% as possible, so you can be sure that your emails reach your client's inbox and not spam. And the way we are going to do this is by setting up our own dedicated email server. If you have not set up your dedicated email server, you'll be using GoHighlevel's lead connector to send out emails. So why is this bad? There are so many people who are using GoHighlevel and there are 6 lead connector emails. And this is bad because there are a lot of people who are using HighLevel and they are doing cold outreach. When people do cold outreach, the recipients, they have a high chance to mark emails as spam. Every email that gets marked as spam reduces the trust score in email providers such as Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, etc. And that's why your emails get sent to spam as well, just because you are sharing the same sending email. By using your own dedicated sending domain, only your business and you are sending emails, so we can control the deliverability score. So let's get started. To set up your dedicated sending domain, first log into your HighLevel account, go to settings, and then go to email services. As you can see, the default provider here is lead connector email server. It says mg.imdennis.com instead of the regular lead connector like messagesender.leadconnector.com. Okay, from here, go to the right and click dedicated domain and IP. And you should see this page. I already have one, I can still create another one. On the right, just click add domain, enter your domain here. My domain is imdennis.com, so type in whatever domain yours is. However, we need to put in a subdomain. It can be anything. It can be like email.imdennis.com. It can be MSG. Okay, let's do MSG and then click add and verify. Alright, now you should see this. Connect your domain / subdomain. For me, I'm using Cloudflare, which is here. And using Cloudflare, I'm able to very easily put in the records automatically. But I'm going to show it to you manually in case you're not using Cloudflare. Press add record manually. Basically, we just want to copy all these values, paste them into Cloudflare. So I'll just press this. Press add record. Okay, so it's the first one is txt record. So I'll just look for txt record. Now, if you're using cPanel or using GoDaddy or if you're using Namecheap, the process is the same. You just have to look for DNS and enter the details. So txt, I'll just paste this. I believe I don't need this. Just remove that. And then required value, I just copy this. Just paste in the values here. Press save. Press add record. Okay, go back to the next one. Okay, so the next one is txt record as well. Go to txt. Okay, you always don't have to put in your domain, just put in the subdomain, just MSG. Copy this, put this in, save, add another record. This is CNAME. Let's copy this, look for CNAME, put this in, so it will be email.msg. Copy this, paste it here, save. Add another record. Now is this one. This one is MX record. Look for MX. MSG. Copy that, paste it here. Or priority, you can just put 2 or 10. Alright, and we have one more record to go. Another MX record. MSG. Mail server is this. Priority is 10. Save. Okay, and then from here, there's one thing I want to change is the CNAME. This one. Currently it's proxy, so I just want to make sure that it is DNS only. I'm just going to save that. We don't need it to be proxied because HighLevel does that for us. Let me go back and press verify records. Okay, and then press verify domain. Okay, as you can see, everything is verified. So you can go back. Go back. And you can see msg.imdennis.com. You can see the SSL is unknown, so you press verify now. Verify domain. There we go, SSL is certified. And what we want to put here, the name and the email that you want to be sending emails from. So you click here and press set headers. So your new email will be, for me is Dennis at msg.imdennis.com. And then you just have to click this, and so now all my emails will be sending from this subdomain. So it's this simple to set up your dedicated email server. If you don't want to be sending out a ton of emails from this server just yet, you will need to warm up your email server first. I'm going to show you how. This article is from HighLevel itself. This article is email warm up. It shows you different stages of how to send emails. So it breaks it down to 15 stages. Stage 1, you should only be sending 100 emails per hour and with a daily send of 1k, and you will slowly increase it up to stage 15, which is 50k an hour with a daily send of 250k. So thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it was helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, as I'll be putting more Go High Level videos. Thank you.